Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Today, inshallah, girls, we will take better English now and we will start Unit 6 together, okay? First of all, I will tell you the day and the date. Today is Tuesday and the spelling is Tuesday and the date is 3/5/1443 after Hijrah, okay? Now, quick revision, my beautiful students. What is the past of the verb write? Wrote, writing, or writes? Of course, the right answer is wrote. What about number 2? The past of get up is gets up, getting up, or got up. Of course, the right answer is got up. Number What is the past of the verb go? The past of go is goes, went, or going. The right answer is went. So the past of go is went. Okay, girls? Number 4. The past of speak is speaking, spoke, or speaks. The right answer is spoke, of course. The right answer is what, girls? Spoke, okay? As I told you girls at the beginning of my lesson or at the beginning of my video that today we will take Unit 6, Lesson 1, page 27, girls, in our book, Better English Now, okay? So we will take Unit 6, Lesson 1 in our book, Better English Now, page 27, okay, girls? Now we have questions and answers. How can I make correct questions using the past simple tense? Of course, this sentence is in the past, right? We have Amal wrote her homework yesterday. This sentence is what in the past. هذا الجملة في الماضي, right? So I should start with what? To make yes/no questions, I should start with did. I will say did Amal. So change the verb into the present. Here we have wrote. The present is write. Her homework yesterday. So we will say did. We have to start with did. After that, what is the subject? The subject is أمل اللي هو الفاعل. Okay? Did أمل. The present of the verb wrote is write. هرجع الأصل. Okay? Did أمل write her homework yesterday? Yes, she does, or no, she didn't. Yes, she did. Sorry, yes, she did, or no, she didn't. Okay? Number 2, we have Ahmed played football last week. This sentence is in the past, في الماضي, right? I will say, did Ahmed play football last week? Played in the past, and in the present, it will be what? Play. So, did Ahmed play football last week? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay, yes, he did, and no, he didn't. Number 3. Number 3, she spoke English very well. Here, this sentence is in the past, في الماضي, right? We have the verb spoke. We have to say, did she? The present of spoke is what? Speak English very well. So we will say, did she speak English very well? Did, you have to start with did. نبدأ بدid, okay? After that, what is the subject? The subject is she. What is the present of the verb spoke? The present is speak, then complete the sentence. Did she speak English very well? Yes, she did, and no, she didn't. Okay, so yes, she did, and no, she didn't. The new words of my lesson today are, the first word is what, girls? First of all, what can you see? I can see so many people in the garden or in the park. What are they doing? They are playing. So, where are they? They are in the park. So, park, P-A-R-K, P-A-R-K. They are playing in the park, P-A-R-K. This word is a noun, اسم, okay? Park is a noun. The second word is what? What can you see here? Movie. Bravo. Movie. M-O-V-I-E. M-O-V-I-E. M-O-E. M-O-V-I-E. The second word is movie. The second word is movie. The second word is movie. If I ask you girls, what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Samara, okay? So what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Samara, or I can say my favorite movies are Samara and Don't Breathe, okay? The third word is pool. So the third word is pool, P-O-O-L, P-O-O-L. This is the third word, P-O-O-L. So today we took three words, park, movie, and pool. All of them are nouns. All of them are what? Nouns اللي هي أسماء, okay? Now read the conversation. We have Layla and Hind. We have two persons in this conversation, Layla and Hind. Layla, good morning, Hind. Did you enjoy the holiday yesterday? Hind, yes, I did. We had a nice time. Layla, did you go to the book fair? Hind, no, I didn't. My father took us to the family park. Layla, how long did you stay there? Hind, we left home about 9 o'clock and came back at 5 p.m. Layla, wonderful. What did you do there? Hind, I played tennis with my sister and my brothers played football. Layla, where did you have lunch? Hind, we brought some foods with us from home and my father bought some juice for us from the cafeteria. What about you, Layla? What did you do? Layla, we visited our grandparents in their farmhouse. We spent a wonderful time there. We had lunch under the trees and swam in the pool. Again, girls. Layla, good morning, Hind. Did you enjoy the holiday yesterday? Hind, yes, I did. We had a nice time. Layla, did you go to the book fair? Hind, no, I didn't. My father took us to the family park. Layla, how long did you stay there? Hind, we left home about 9 o'clock and came home at 5 p.m. Layla, wonderful. What did you do there? Hind, I played tennis with my sister and my brothers played football. Layla, where did you have lunch? Hind, we brought some foods from the cafeteria. We brought some foods with us from home and my father bought some juice for us from the cafeteria. What about you, Layla? What did you do? Layla, we visited our grandparents in their farmhouse. We spent a wonderful time there. We had lunch under the trees and swam in the pool. Okay, now true and false. Number one, Layla and Hind are sisters. False. Layla stayed home on the holiday. False. Layla and her sister played tennis. False. Layla's brothers didn't play football. True. Hind visited her friends. False. Hind swam in the pool. False. Hind enjoyed visiting her parents. False. Okay? So this is the end of my lesson today, girls. My lesson today is so easy. Thank you for listening and watching and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.